To get started with iHire, you can invite your team members to create their own accounts. You have the option to add team members to one or all of your hiring organizations. On the team members page, all invited team members will be listed, and those who haven't accepted yet will have an invited badge next to their name. Even if a team member hasn't accepted the invitation, you can still assign products to them by using the Share Access to Your Products area. To add a new team member, simply click Add Team Member and provide their name, email address, and organization access levels. Organizational admins are responsible for managing all user permissions and content under an account, and each account should have at least 2 trusted organizational admins. All other users can be granted one, a combination of, or all of the following access levels. Their access will apply to all organizations they work with. Organizational admins can manage all permissions under this account. Manage Branding Elements allows users to add or edit organization branding elements such as logos, videos, URLs, and your company profile. Manage Teams or users can add or remove team members and manage their permissions. Post job users can post and manage their own jobs. You can also choose not to grant any permissions to a contact, like a team member who's only using resume search to find candidates and doesn't need access to other levels. When inviting team members, they will receive an invitation via email with instructions for joining your team. To change a team member's permissions, locate the blue pencil icon beside their name. Adjust the necessary settings, and then save your changes. And you can also delete team members by clicking the trash can next to their name.